First word. Verb. Verb means kriya. Let's see one example. Verb has 3 forms. क्रिया के 3 रूप होते हैं. Second word. Goose. Goose means battak. Let's see one example. Goose eats fish and swims in pond. बत्तख मछली खाता है और तालाब में तैरता है. Third word. Movie. Movie means chalchitra. Let's see one example. That was great movie. वह बेहतरीन चलचित्र थी. Fourth word. Swing. Swing means jhula. Let's see one example. Children plays with swing. बच्चे झूले के साथ खेलते हैं. Fifth word. Cupboard. Cupboard means almari. Let's see one example. We put our clothes in cupboard. हमने अपने कपड़े अलमारी में रखते हैं. Sixth word. Leaf. Leaf means patti. Let's see one example. Leaf is green. We should eat green leaf vegetable. पत्ता हरा होता है. हमें हरी पत्ती की सब्जी खानी चाहिए. Seventh word. Sea. Sea means samudra. Let's see one example. Sea is blue but it contains salt water. समुद्र नीला है लेकिन इसमें खारा पानी है. To be updated, hit subscribe button and press bell icon.